Looking for a smartphone that lets you capture, view, and share your life in a whole new dimension? Look no further. The HTC EVO 3D is here. An awesome display for viewing 3D content without 3D glasses, great sharing capabilities, and the all-new HTC Sense make your smartphone experience more delightful than ever. From the first look, you'll notice the HTC EVO 3D is built to capture life. The 3D cameras are poised for taking great 3D stills and video, or you can take high-quality 2D shots and HD video. Either way, you end up with breathtaking pictures and movies. The dedicated shutter button lets you go from pocket to true-life video in a flash. And the 2D-3D toggle switch makes your move to 3D video recording a snap. The 3D cameras on the HTC EVO 3D allow you to snap 3D photos and shoot 3D videos that capture your special moments with amazing depth and perspective. The cameras simultaneously grab images from different angles and produce stunning, "I can't believe I'm seeing this on my phone" type moments for you and your friends to enjoy. Today, 3D viewing involves one fashion accessory that's, let's face it, not so cool: the bulky 3D glasses. HTC EVO 3D has got that covered with a great feature, a 3D display that lets you view everything in true-to-life detail without the need for 3D glasses. When you look back on the pictures or videos you shot over the weekend, you'll be one dimension closer to revisiting those moments. And when you want to be entertained, just tap into a whole new way of mobile entertainment featuring 3D YouTube videos and 3D Hollywood blockbusters on HTC Watch. The movies are ready to start when you're ready to watch. And if you want even more action, try 3D gaming, which gives higher meaning to a truly immersive experience. HTC EVO 3D not only captures 3D, but also lets you share your photos and videos in several different ways. If you're a true fan and own a 3D TV, you'll be happy to know that HDMI sharing lets you show your 3D home videos or photos on your big screen in 3D. And if you want to share your 3D creations with the world, upload them to YouTube. 3D capture and rendering requires serious processing muscle. That's why HTC EVO 3D is powered by a blazing fast 1.2 GHz dual-core processor. The dual-core processing also ensures that apps start up instantly, and switching between them is seamless. The performance really comes to life when pushing your HTC EVO 3D to its limits, like when you're listening to music, downloading email in the background, and surfing the web all at the same time. With better flash rendering, you get screaming fast browsing of the most visually rich websites and amazing video playback. Every idea we have begins with you. The new HTC Sense experience is more immersive than ever. Everyday things like the weather come to life. Ever held a thunderstorm in your hand? When checking the weather, feel the sun's rays, or wipe away the droplets of water. Things you rarely think about, like the lock screen, will surprise you on the HTC EVO 3D. We've transformed it into a window to the good stuff on your phone. Without unlocking your phone, check up on your portfolio, view your friend's status, and more. And check this out. This could be the difference between you capturing a great moment on camera or letting it slip away forever. The lock screen lets you jump directly to the camera with the same quick gesture used to unlock your phone, so you're always ready to capture the photo-worthy moments in your life. We've also delivered many new enhancements to help you get more done. Things like better email, browser enhancements, and Wi-Fi printing. So there you have it. The HTC EVO 3D is a phone that takes your mobile life into another dimension. Life looks better in 3D, and you look better without the 3D glasses. HTC EVO 3D with HTC Sense.